Hi everyone, welcome back to Prakasham Tutorials. In this video, we are going to discuss about probability of playing card example. The given example is a card is drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Find the probability of number 2 of spade cards. Find the probability of jack cards. Find the probability of a king of red color cards. Find the probability of a card of diamond. Find the probability of a king or queen card. Find the probability of non-face cards. Find the probability of black face cards. Find the probability of black cards. Find the probability of non-ace cards. Find the probability of non-face cards of black color. Find the probability of neither a spade card nor a jack card. Find the probability of neither a heart nor a red king. So this is the given example. Coming to the solution, so we know that the probability of the event is given by or defined as number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. This is the definition of the probability. So totally there are 52 playing cards. So there are the total number of possible outcomes are at 52. Total there are 52 playing cards. So therefore the total number of possible outcomes are 52. And the first bit is find the probability of number 2 spade cards. And out of 52 cards, only one number 2 spade card is available. So the number of favorable outcome is 1 and the total number of outcomes are 52. So the probability of number 2 spade card is 1 by 52. Now the favorable outcomes are only 1 out of 52 playing cards. Only one card is available, number 2 spade card. So that is number of favorable outcome and the total number of outcomes are 52. So using this definition, probability of getting spade card 2 is 1 by 52. And second bit solution, find the probability of jack cards. And out of 52 playing cards, only 4 jack cards are available. So one spade jack card, one club jack card, one heart jack card, and one diamond jack card. So there are 4 jack cards out of 52 playing cards. So now we have the number of favorable outcomes are 4. So therefore the probability of getting a jack card is favorable outcomes by 50. Favorable outcomes by total outcomes. Now the favorable outcome is 4 and the total outcome is 52. 4 by 52 is equal 1 by 13. Next bit is find the probability of a king of red color cards. Since out of 52 playing cards, there are 26 red color cards and out of 26 red color king cards, out of 26 red color cards, only 2 red kings are available. So the number of favorable outcomes are kings of red color cards is 2. So therefore the probability of getting king of red color card is favorable outcome is 2 and total outcome is 52. 2 by 52 is equal to 1 by 26. The next bit is find the probability of a card of diamond. There are 13 diamond cards available out of 52 playing cards. So the probability of getting a card of diamond is favorable outcome is 13 and total outcome is 52. 13 by 52 is 1 by 4. And next bit is find the probability of a king card or queen cards. King card or queen cards. So out of 52 playing cards, 4 king cards are available and 4 queen cards are available. So the number of favorable outcomes are 4 king cards plus 4 queen cards. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So favorable outcome is 8. So the probability of getting a king card or a queen card is 8 by 52 is equal to 2 by 13. Next bit is find the probability of non-face cards. So out of 52 playing cards, okay, first of all, uh, the face cards are king card, queen card and jack cards are the face cards, and each shoot 3 face cards are available. 3 into 4, 12 face cards. So out of 52 playing cards, there are 12 face cards. So the number of favorable outcome is 12. Therefore, the probability of getting non-face cards is okay. The number of face cards are 12 and non-face cards. So 52 minus face cards. Total number of cards minus face cards is equal to 40. That 40 is the non-face cards out of 52 cards. So the probability of getting a non-face card is number of favorable outcome is 40 by total outcome is 52. 40 by 52 is 10 by 13. And next bit is find the probability of a black face cards. And out of 52 playing cards, 26 black cards are available. So in each shoot, only 3 face cards are there. So that are king card, queen card, and jack card. So uh, two two shoots are two parts of the black cards. So 2 into 3, 6 black face cards. Number of favorable outcomes are 6. So therefore, the probability of getting a black face card is favorable outcome by total outcomes, that is 6 by 52 is equal 3 by 26. And next bit is find the probability of a black card. And out of 52 playing cards, there are 26 black cards. So the number of favorable outcome is 26 and total outcome is 52. Therefore, the probability of getting a black card is 26 by 52 is 1 by 2. Next bit is find the probability of getting a non-ace cards. So out of 52 playing cards, there are 4 ace cards. 4 ace cards are available. Now here the non-ace cards. So 52 playing cards minus 4 ace cards is equal to 48. So 48 non-ace cards. The number of favorable outcome is 48 and the total outcome is 52. So the probability of getting a non-ace card is 48 divided by 52 is 12 by 13. And next bit is find the probability of getting non-face cards of black color. So non-face cards of black color. And the total number of black cards are 26. Total number of black cards are 26. In that face cards are black face cards are 6 black face cards. Okay, the non-face card of black color is and 26 black cards minus 6 non-face cards is equal to 20. So now here the favorable outcome is 20. Therefore, the probability of getting a non-face card of black color is 20 divided by 52 is 5 by 13. Next bit is find the probability of neither a spade card nor a jack card. Neither a spade card nor a jack card. So out of 52 playing cards, there are 13 spade cards and jack cards. So 13 spade cards. Therefore, the total number of non-spade cards out of 52 cards is 52 minus 13 is 39 cards. And jack cards. There are 4 jack cards. Now here in 13 spade cards, 1 jack card is there. So and the remaining number of the jack cards are 3. So and removing that 1 jack card, the neither a spade card or nor a jack card favorable outcomes are 39 minus 3 is equal to 36. The favorable outcome is 36. So therefore, the probability of getting a neither a spade card nor a jack card is 36 by 52 is 9 by 13. Next bit is find the probability of getting neither a heart card nor a red king card. In out of 52 playing cards, 13 heart cards are available. So the total number of non-hearts out of 52 cards is 52 minus 13 is equal to 39 are the non-heart cards. Now a red king card, and there are two red king cards. In this heart cards, one red king card is available, and removing that one red king card and remaining red king card is 1. There are two red king cards, that is one heart red king card and one diamond red king cards. In this out of 13 heart cards, one red king card is there. Okay, removing that one red king card and subtracting another one red king card, that is diamond red king card from this 39. So therefore, the number of favorable outcomes, neither a heart card nor a red king card is 39 minus 1 is equal to 38. So this 38 is the favorable outcome of the experiment, and the total outcomes are 58. Therefore, the probability of getting neither a heart nor a red king card is 38 by 52. So this is the probability example of playing cards.